how to play Facebook videos in background on iPhone. So if you want to play Facebook videos in your background on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that your Facebook is up to date. Make sure that you've updated the application. You can update the app in your App Store or your Play Store. And note that there's no built-in way to play Facebook videos in your background on your iPhones as of June 2026. Apple restricts background app refresh for most videos and audio playback to conserve battery life and data usage. However, you can use any third party application to play Facebook videos in your background on your iPhone. So, for that, you need to just simply open up your App Store and search for an app which is x.app. Once this app is downloaded, you'll be able to play any videos in your background on your iPhone. You can just select the video and then tap on picture in picture, and it will be opened on your X application. And the whole video will be played in your background. And that is how you can play Facebook videos in your background on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.